up my camera. Hello, hello, and welcome to the cottage life edition. It is a beautiful day. It is. Oh, let me show you around how it looks. This is a place that I think it's a beaver dam. I'm not sure if dam is the right word in English. I think it is. But yeah, it's very peaceful and it's beautiful. And the water level is very low at the moment. So I'm in a place where usually there's too much water. And now I'm able to walk here. So we're gonna discover little things together. And I just saw there's like an uniform with a flower, and it's very rare that I see that, so I'm gonna check it out. I don't know if you can see from far. I'm gonna show it to you. It is just right there, but I think you cannot really see it. Oh, maybe. See? Where's my finger? It's there. I don't know. Oh, it's very it's almost like quicksand. It's not the same, but I need to be careful. Ooh. Yeah, I need to be careful. Oops. Okay. I can see I don't know if you can see, but the water level was at this point, I think, if I'm correct. It's so cute. Look at the view. It's crazy beautiful. And trust me, not everybody can come here, so you're lucky to be with me and to have this exclusive look. Oh my god. I don't know. Is it a good idea? No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. Insane. By the way, if this is something you enjoy, seeing photos about nature, small details, that kind of stuff, you can check out my Instagram page. I have a lot of photography that I'm sharing there. It's another of my passion, and you can check it out at mariepiercadorette. That's it, mariepiercadorette on Instagram. Oh, this is a part that was made by a beaver. Wow. Natural sculpture. I mean, not that natural, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna try to take a photo of a frog and wish me luck. Wish me luck because there's two frogs. Okay. Wish me luck because I might fall. I'm trying to do too many things together. But you know, anything for a good shot. I really love photography, so. No, don't go. There's the frog. Alright, that was fun. I'm gonna stop here because I'm so hungry. And yeah, but that was fun. A little bit stressful, but exciting. It's not easy to walk in here. I'm not alone. I clearly heard an animal walking back. I don't know what it is though. It sounded bigger than a squirrel. Butterfly. Oh my god. There's traffic. There was a dragonfly and a butterfly. There's a lot of dragonflies. Dragonflies. Sure. Dragonflies and frogs in here. So love it. Okay. I don't know what time it is. Maybe 11 a.m. Of course, a.m. Oop. Always checking for spider webs. And this is my trick. I use my hand like that. Sometimes I do use a stick to destroy spider webs, but I could use one. Maybe something like this, if there's no bags on it. Yep. Yeah. Looks okay. You cannot see, but it looks okay. This is a cute spot, and it looks better when there's sunshine, but there's nothing I can do. Mother Nature, you know? Yep. Oh my gosh. I don't want to fall, you know? Especially with my phone in my hand. Go here. Alright. Wow. Wow. So peaceful. You're so cute. Out of focus. Come on. Wow. So small. Jesus. Whew. I was surprised by a bridge. Let's continue. There's a huge rock behind me. Like a wall of a rock. A rock. I'm always fascinated by the way the rocks in general can split. It almost looks like architecture, or it was created by a designer or something like that. I don't know, I found it very beautiful. Oh, look at this. A dragonfly. Come on. Focus. Ah, damn it. Can we see it? Can you see? It's just there. I'm trying to. Yes. I'm gonna try to be super slow, not scared. Oh, never mind. Hard. Oh my god, this is so hot right now. So warm. Oh, can we see? Please, focus. Incredible. Have you ever been that close to a dragonfly? Wow, thank you so much. Wow. I've always have been fascinated by this huge rock. Oh, you cannot really see. Sorry. This huge rock. Look, so old. And there's like, I'm gonna check if there's spider web. No? Okay. This is quartz. I came once and I grabbed tools to take a slice of it. Ow. Like, what's in there? See? I do have a light, so I'm gonna use it. Let's explore together. My god, let's explore together. Okay, I do have this light. I hope it's charged. Oh yeah. Oh my god, so much spider webs. I don't see much. It's very interesting to see what's inside. I mean, for me it is. I don't know for you. I just think it's very interesting, the shapes that it can take. Wow. The trees that grows on top is incredible. It's such a big tree. Crazy, crazy. I don't know why, it always reminds me of The Lord of the Rings. When, especially when Frodo and his hobbit friends had to hide from the riders. And look at this phenomenal sculpture, natural. It is incredible. Let me zoom out. Jesus. This was created by a tornado that happened, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago or 3. Look at this. Let me zoom in. It is insane. I swear, in person, it's totally majestic. It is so big. Wow. Yeah, that is so huge. This is almost like the trunk of a tree, except these are racines. Forgot the word. Can I have a souvenir? Like, I wouldn't mind have this piece. Hope nothing will follow me. Oh, what is it? I heard something. Oh. Okay, let's try. Cannot. Oop. Should I? Maybe not. I'm gonna leave it to nature. Here, I guess. Oop. Oh yeah. I hope we're gonna find something special to see, you know? Like a bug, or see a beautiful flower, or maybe meet an animal, or see a very cool bird. I don't know. Oh wow. The sun here is just so warm. Oh, we have a little friend too. Hello. And I really love those. I don't know how they are called, but I don't know. Can I zoom? They look a little bit. Oops. It's hard to focus. I don't know. They remind me of a leopard or something like that. It's gorgeous. I mean, not the animal, but the print. You know what I mean? Okay. That's so good. Really. Oop. What is this? Oh, it's I'm not sure actually. It decided to land on me. Okay. Hello, buddy. This girl is so hungry. This girl is so hungry. Oh, you have a small frog. Don't go, don't go. It's so small. Like, I'm gonna show you with my, maybe in my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands after. Don't worry. So this is the end. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.